So why is it so important how you treat yourself? Because it determines your quality of life. You see yourself in a different way, whether you respect yourself or not, whether you are a doormat or you're an empowered woman.
Or man.
Or man, true, Bob, sorry. And when you honor yourself in all your fallacies, because as we're human, we're not perfect, but it still offers you a positive view of life. And you can make choices that are self-supportive, and it helps you to thrive and sparkle. And it becomes natural when you think about yourself and you treat yourself as if life is always the best it has to offer. And it really is.
Yeah. And Christine, it's about changing habits. So how many times is it they say you have to do something for it to become a habit?